This is what Savaria took out of the fridge. This is what she wants me to make. And she also took out fries. So I'm going to make her a dip with butter, garlic, and mustard. Okay, you ready to try your dip? Here's your fries. This is what you took out of the fridge. This is what you wanted me to make you. Let's see what you think. Dip your fry in here. Dip. And then eat. Mustard, garlic, and butter, right? And fries. You made that recipe, Savaria. I just put it together for you. Do you like it? Do you like it? Is that a yes or no? Alright. Oh dear. Okay, why are we tipping it now?
So, do I wash clothes today? I was gonna wait until tomorrow.
Yeah, wait until tomorrow.
Tomorrow's gonna be humid.
Is that good?
They'll give you if you have any dirty.
Grandma, she loves it. Look at her. That's her recipe.
Oh, Savaria.
Oh, thank you.
She ate it all.
She wants some more.
But she still has fries.
She
left,
said
and
more
there's
both
only like
ways.
4 fries there.
There's more dip right there. There's more dip. Put it in your dip. There you go. Oh my God, she's so cute. Is that good dip? Are you painting?